Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select from workbook templates on the Microsoft Excel application so that you can create special workbook tables with standard formats. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the plus icon down below, and as you can see there are a bunch of templates that you can choose from, such as total, list, track my tasks, manage my money, personal budget, family budget, credit card payoff calculator, mortgage loan calculator, college course manager, and so on. So these are different kind of workbooks that have a standard format, including tables, columns, diagrams, shapes, and so on. So if you want to check out one of these, just simply tap on the relevant one, and here you will be able to see how it looks like, and you can start personalizing it or customizing it, meaning that you can change these data, adding edit to it. So tap on the relevant one that you want to change, and after that you can type in your relevant information. So just simply delete it, and then you will be able to type in your data that is relevant to you, and basically that's it. So feel free to add columns by going to the insert section. You can add tables, photos, shapes, icons, diagrams, charts, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.